Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on Scribble and confirming your Apple Pencil is paired, because the iPad routes handwriting through that device. Once done, open Notes or any text field. You can write directly and the system converts ink to text. Make sure to write in a steady line and use short phrases at first, so the recognizer learns context. If you want punctuation, sketch it. Periods and commas are recognized. This first step gets you actual text conversion immediately. You write naturally in a text field and Scribble converts strokes to characters as you lift the Apple Pencil. That immediate conversion is faster than tapping keys. Once converted, tap or drag to select any word, circle or stroke through text to select, and then edit with the keyboard or handwriting. Learn gestures. A quick scratch out deletes, a vertical line adds space, and a caret inserts text. Use these because they replace keyboard shortcuts and speed up corrections in longer notes. You finish by cleaning up converted text, copying it into emails or documents, and sharing via the iPad share sheet. Conversion preserves selectable text for other apps. Once done, proofread. Scribble is accurate but may misread unusual names or shorthand. If you hit errors, try slower, clearer strokes or temporarily disable and re-enable Scribble in settings to reset recognition. That quick troubleshooting step fixes most issues and gets you back to smooth handwriting input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.